Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Mana, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. If you are new here, we do a bunch of Afropop, Afrobeats, Nigerian music, West African music, reviews and reactions, so definitely tap in. Today, I don't usually cover Drake. I don't usually cover a lot of Western music. We obviously have to make an exception today. We have Tems on a massive run in her career, and right now she's sitting with a Drake feature. A Drake feature is madness, bro. Arguably the biggest artist in the world right now. Drake, okay, artist of the decade, phenomenal numbers. Okay, when we talk about numbers, we come to Drake. That's his thing. That you can't take that away from him. Even as much as you can feel like he regurgitates a lot of his albums, or it feels like he doesn't really reinvent his approach to projects and albums, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. You can give him that. But this man is consistently winning, and being an artist that is only 2 years into her career, this is huge. This is the magnitude of positioning, the magnitude of visibility that she can get from this. We already seen it. Right now, she's out of all the African artists, she is the highest with the most Spotify follows, and it's crazy to say that for the first 2 years. And with the space of the last 8 months, man, like it's only up from here. I'm recording at the time where she just met with Rihanna, you know. She's in that class already, and I could smell a Rihanna feature too. I could smell it in the air. Like it's coming somewhere. It's coming. We see it and we tap into it by the grace of God. Okay, but honestly, she's clear. I'm excited for what she's about to do on this one. I'm sure Drake caught wind of Essence and was like, let me get a piece of that, you know. That came out wrong. But anyway, without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's check out Fountains with Tems. Okay. Again, I've been saying this before. Drake makes music for jaded women and toxic men. We're in the jaded ladies section of the album. Obviously coming with a delivery that feels very sad and almost lifeless to some point. But yeah, hopefully this picks up. I didn't anticipate that. So far with Tems, I didn't see her transition well into it. It felt kind of abrupt after she came in. What happened to his voice there? Oh, Tems is doing that thing again. I'm not the biggest fan of. She did it on the song on the key, where her backup vocals are like interestingly painful. I'm not, guys. She does this thing, and don't type in the comments, oh yeah, he does this thing about Tems, blah blah blah. Nah, I love Tems. I love Tems as a vocalist. She has a good moment to hand. She has a not so good moment, okay? And I'm telling you, the backup, pay attention to the backup. Like, it definitely makes me cringe. Listen to the key. Is it the key? Yeah, it was the key from a previous album for Broken Ears. But go watch my review on that. Again, I can't lie. My face cannot lie. Once I hear something that makes me a bit, I definitely get that feeling. It could be his style of delivery, which is fine. I can admit maybe that's his style, and I might not just be a big fan of that style. It feels, yeah, if you guys can hear that back up, I'm not crazy, bro. Yeah, I'm nitpicking at this point. She sounds good on the foreground. Get a verse. Let's go. See, this is where she wins me over, man. Hey, don't make me. Come on. Hey. think it would be more effective having Drake do the layup for the chorus itself, the calming part. It feels very, I don't know, it just doesn't suit him. I don't know, there's something about that particular part that I feel like it's an opportunity for Tems to reel in the meat of a song. Do you know what I mean? To have that stronger punch. I think Tems would do a better job at that part rather than Drake. I don't know, it's just me. Maybe I'm just maybe I'm just feeling being, again, I might be nitpicking on this one, but I feel like the song would have a stronger punch with Tems carrying the song, Tems carrying that portion of the song. I mean, she did it with Essence, so we might as well get the order right, you know? Okay. All right, Tems. All right. A lot of reverb on that. A lot of reverb, but I love it. Again, guys, I could care less if the song is not the most phenomenal record. It's more about the positioning for Tems. Like, at the end of the day, this is a good look. Okay, she came in there, did her job, got her bag, got the eyeballs, got the visibility, and kept it pushing. Now she has an EP out. Like, keep it cute, keep it simple. I'm not gonna be mad if Drake doesn't pour a lot of resource into the song, giving it a video, giving it a lot of press, giving it a lot of push. I think it, again, like, Drake being Drake is definitely gonna get a lot of eyeballs into this, and for that aspect of it, I'm excited that Tems was on here. But as a song, now let's talk about the song itself. Is it enjoyable? Is it something I'm gonna come back to? Is it something that I immediately gravitated to? No, I did not. Sadly, I did not. This song didn't really speak so much. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's just the concept of it being somewhat a heartbreak song. Drake was saying something about, oh yeah, like, I kind of fathom this life without you. Just something about Drake's delivery and kind of like the atmosphere of the song makes it feel like he's defeated and he has lost already, and which I can get the emotional aspect of it, but just for the sake of like enjoying a record, I don't think it's something that I would come back to, or at least that it feels like a downer of a vibe, you know? It feels like a downer of a vibe, but I still feel the best part that gave it more life, gave it more energy, that made it feel much more eventful was Tems. I think Tems was the best portion of the song easily. The verse was the best part that I absolutely enjoyed. A little pushback on the foreground, on the backup vocals, like I said, but again, she made up for it with the strong verse that was easily the best part of the song. She's definitely using this platform already. She has an EP out that came out weeks after the Drake feature, and it only makes sense to capitalize off of the Drake buzz. It feels kind of like she kind of robbed Drake off of something. Like, I didn't think she gave her best, but she did well enough, man. But she did well enough to be the best part of the song. She did good. She did good for herself. I'm not saying she came here and scammed Drake. Nah, she does use the name for clout and keep it pushing. But no, it makes sense that she can build on the leverage that she has right now to release her own body of work. Obviously, and she's on tour right now in the US, so it also makes sense to put out more music. Not my favorite of Drake moments. Again, when it comes to this Afrobeat vibes, it's a huge hit or miss for me, especially with this Afro house that he can go on. It's a huge hit or miss. So yeah, I'm gonna be recording my Tems EP review shortly, so definitely be on the lookout for that. Like I said, I do a bunch of Afrobeats, Afropop reviews on this channel, and I also have a playlist in the description, so go check that one out as well. I'll be your boy Mano, aka palmwinepapi. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.